Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on VIVO iQOO Z10. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Then click search and click install. Now click open and click agree and continue. Then you can select the default browser, or you can click cancel, and you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in, or you can click not now again, and you can try out and turn on notifications, or you can click not now. And here you can select your theme, or you can click save and continue, and you can pick your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.